Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive right into it and we are deep cleaning my son's room, and Carter's going to be around. He's 1.5 and he's going to be helping as much as he can. First I'm going to focus on his bed. We're going to strip the bed and put all of his blankets in the wash, and then I'm going to clean out underneath his bed and wipe down his crib. And can we just talk about that rat tail on the back of my neck? Oh my gosh, it's there through the whole thing, so sorry about that. Next, I'm going to do his shelves. The cleaner I'm using to clean his whole room today is just my homemade all-purpose spray. All it is water, distilled white vinegar, and some peppermint oil. While I clean off his dresser, I'm also going to refill his humidifier, the diapers, and the wipes. His fish tank also needs to be cleaned, but that's Dad's job because it scares me to clean it. When I was a kid, I would clean a little beta's fish tank and it would jump out every time and land on the floor, and it freaks me out, so I can't do it anymore. I love this book organizer we got from him. I got it off of Amazon and I'll link it below, but it makes it so easy for him to grab whatever books he wants and he can put them back. Emptying out his toy chest and wiping it all down. One of the hinges broke on the lid and it really bugs me that it can't close, but it's on our to-do list. This toy organizer is also from Amazon. It does get messy really fast because he can take everything out, but I like that he can start to learn how to categorize things when we put things away, and it's really easy for him to see all of his toys so he can play with them a lot. and dusted, I'm going to start vacuuming the whole room. Touch, just putting the bed back together. This is what I consider a deep clean of Carter's room, and I try and do it once a month. But his bedding does get done every week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.